Container ship collided with tug, causing fuel leak, Ravenna. Container ship BF PHILIPP collided with moored tug while entering port of Ravenna, Italy, in the morning March 13. BF PHILIPP struck tug with her bulbous bow, breaching hull in fuel tank area. Diesel fuel leaked into water. Anti-pollution operation was launched, no information yet on leaked fuel quantity. Prot was closed for in/outbound traffic during cleansing operation. As of 1200 UTC, according to ACE, port was open for traffic. BF PHILIPP after collision, was safely docked. Container ship BF PHILIPP, IMO 912-3324, DWT 6506, capacity 538 TEU, built 1996, flag Madeira, manager BF Ship Management GmbH & Co. KG.